and again you rotate it. And the reason why we put the spirit on the side, so the card gets fully soaked on the inks, and that's the effect. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Today we're going to play with some colors. So I've got a stash of photograph paper. I got it from Amazon ages and ages and ages ago. I normally use them when I play with alcohol inks, but I run out of alcohol inks. But I thought we were going to play with my promarkers. This is from Winsor and Newton, and I got the full set. I think it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 21, 24, and I got the blender as well. I normally use them when I color it, but I thought today we're going to use them to make some faux watercolor / faux fake, if you mind, alcohol ink effect. Let me show you what I made so far. So I'm going to move them on this side. Right, let me show you one by one. So this is the last. Ooh, that's the last I made. Love that. And I'm gonna show you different way to do this. I only literally never watched any videos. I know you can do this with the promarkers, but I literally not watched any videos about this. So literally, this is what I'm doing. So I might do something completely wrong, or I don't know. But this is the way I do it, and I love that. This is all couple of colors, the same sort of color, but then different blends. This I love this. You can use this as for like card making, or for like journaling card. You can use in your art journal. You can do anything that you want. I love this with all the different greens. These I love that as well. And this one here, and the photograph card, because it's got a glossy finish, it just gives that extra detail, and I love the effect with the glossy paper. And this is actually the very first one I made, and as you can see here, you can probably see, if I zoom in closer, you can see the grid, because I can't remember now. I think I used the very first. This is one of my old stamping stamping block, 6x6, and I have used this side here when you got the what do you call it, the squares. So the very first one, so that, and all that, you can see all the squares. I actually don't mind it, so I'm gonna do some more with the grid, and then we're gonna turn it around. So what you do, super simple. So let's pick some colors, and I'll show you different way you're doing it. So let's do the stripy things first. So let's get some colors, any colors that you like. Don't be shy, experiment, do something that you wouldn't normally do it. Pick colors that you wouldn't necessarily put it together, and just have some fun. So got 3 colors here, and then on here I got some surgical spirit. I got this from Boots. It's almost run out, and what I did, got the lid in there, so I just simply put that in there. I strongly recommend you open the window, because this stinks, so you don't want your room to stink like hospital, if it makes sense. So it's a very distinctive smell. So what you do is simply drop. Okay, so I'm literally dropping it like this, tick, 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 tick. And then get your card. So I'll show you different ways to do it. So one way, you just simply put it on top and leave it, and then with your fingers you just move the color underneath. Okay, literally you drop it and you just forget about it. And then I've got a tweezer here to help me lifting this up, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh yeah. So that, can you see the grid? I don't mind the grid, I actually quite like it. So that's one. Okay, so I want to show you another effect. So let's get some more spirit just to clean the platform. Okay, so blue, let's do something with the greens actually. So one is that, so we do another stripe, so you get 3 colors. You can do 4, you can do 95, 75 millions, you can just do any colors that you like. Do one there. And let's pick this one here. I don't think you'll probably be able to see anything of the first color, but never mind. Okay, so now I'm going to dip, like literally keep dripping with my finger like that. Drip, 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 and drip. Okay, so earlier, before we just drop it. Now we're just going to move the card. Okay, so we move it like you rotate it. And you just tap it and move it. And that's one other effect. Now you can cover the white bit. So that's kind of, you see the difference between this one and this one. Yeah. Now what I want to show you another thing, and this I realized when I was doing the very first one. Okay, so let's get some darker color, because it works, I noticed it works better with darker color. So let's get some purple, some orange, I don't know if you can find some metallic color that will look amazing if you've got some metallic what do you call it, metallic promarkers. I'm thinking it's some blue, blue, get some navy, that one, just like its stripes. Okay, so you just literally do stripes. Okay, so before we just tip it, now get your surgical spirit on your brush, and then you do like you're painting it, but you need to be very quick. Okay, so you're kind of like blending it all together. Get your card and then super quick, just put it on top of it and then press it. The reason why we're quick, because we don't want the alcohol to blend all the colors together and then they just disappear. So that's another effect. See, so with your brush you just blend them. Okay, now one more. So clean this, just put some more. Let's do something with some yellow. I think we need some brighter color now. Some red. And I personally love the combination of yellow and purple. I think those two, that's not very, let's try this one. Oh yeah, that's better. And I'm gonna be naughty and I'm gonna put some green in it. There, and there. Okay, so again, brush, very quickly we just mix them. Very quick. Get your card. So before we tap it, now we're going to move it again. So move it really quickly. So rotate it, and that's another effect when you got all different colors. So you see this one and that one, you got very, very different effect. So you can do this with just one color. So let's get the darkest color. And then with your brush, oh, I need more spirit. In here, you don't have to rush because you only got one shade of color. And what you do, you just put loads of spirit on the side as well, and I'll show you why. So get your card, and again, you rotate it. And the reason why we put the spirit on the side, so the card gets fully soaked on the inks. And that's the effect. You see, you only get little tiny empty space. Okay, one more and then I'm going to go because otherwise this is so addicted to make, guys. Literally so addicted. So let's make one more. Let's pick a really nice pink. Don't know if you're going to, oh yeah, gotcha. Change my mind, gonna do another color next to it, but I don't know if you're going to see this. No, it's too light. Let's do this one here. I know on camera they look identical, but I can guarantee you that two different shades. Okay, so again, brush. Very, very quick. Alcohol on each side, card, rotate, 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 tap and rotate, do what you want, tap and rotate, tap and rotate. Ta-da! Look, you probably can't see them on you probably can, but you've got two different shades of pink and a tiny bit of blue left from the previous card. So again, this is like monochromatic, so you get one different color. Right guys, I'm going to go because otherwise I'm just going to make 2 millions of these and I don't need them. But just yeah, just experiment with these. Make sure that your colors are alcohol based, so you can play with this. I'm just gonna have a quick clean around while I'm talking to you. Right guys, I hope you like this tutorial, kind of show and tell. This is probably my favorite, as you can tell. Guys, I hope you like. Feel free to play along, and if you make it, please show your creation to my Facebook group. It's a very interactive platform, so anything you make, please share it with all of us in there. Love them, very excited. Right, I'm going. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Usual big thumbs up, big help for the video and the channel. Stay safe, and until next time, stay safe and well.